Want to make sure your walls are dead straight and level so your drywall and doors don't turn into a nightmare? Alright, first off, grab a 4-foot level and place it against the wall vertically to check if it's plumb, meaning perfectly upright. Slide it up and down the wall to catch any spots that might lean in or out. Next, use the level horizontally to see if the wall is sitting level from side to side. If you can get your hands on a laser level, that's even better because it shoots a straight line across the whole wall, making it easier to spot any unevenness. Don't just check one side either. Walk around and check both sides of the wall because sometimes it looks fine from one angle but not the other. Before you put up sheathing or drywall, fix any spots that are off by adjusting the studs or adding shims. After bracing the wall, double check again because things can shift during construction. Keep an eye on it throughout the build so you don't end up with crooked walls that mess up your finishing work. One of the biggest issues people run into when checking walls for plumb and level is relying only on a short level, which can miss gradual leaning. Upgrading to a 4-foot or laser level fixes that easily. Another common mistake is only checking one side of the wall. Always check both sides to catch hidden problems before drywall goes up. The third issue is waiting too long to adjust the wall. If you don't fix problems before sheathing and bracing, it becomes way more work to correct later, so keep checking early and often. BigHomeProjects.com is all about hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to getting walls perfectly plumb and level. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to find real work from people who need reliable pros nearby.